Eastern Connecticut's fortunate to have the Eastern Advanced Manufacturing Alliance, you and I call it EAMA. It's a consortium of 50 employers, and they have been extremely, Electric Boat is one, but they're one of 50, extremely active in this program. They have preached to their membership, and their membership has benefited from this. You know, so you're right. So it's a 2/3, 1/3. 2/3 of our placements are going to Electric Boat. 1/3 have gone to EAMA and other companies. But of the 1/3, it's over 200 employers. So it's small, medium size, you know, hiring 5 here, 10 here kind of a thing. So it's not just for Electric Boat. It's the manufacturer and pipeline initiative. See, what the employers told us through EAMA, and I didn't know this until we began this program, is that it's possible in manufacturing for you to establish a training program where you cover 70% of what the skills a person needs to work in my shop. Whether I make nuclear submarines or ball bearings, it doesn't matter, you know. 70%, if you can cover this in a training program, the employer will handle the additional 30% that needs to be customized to their particular business. So that's what we strove from the beginning. A program where the machining, the welding, the pipe fitting, the electrical, it covered 70% of what they can do, and that's what attracted the employers. But without EAMA and EB as part of that, we would not have been able to drive curriculum that way. And that the colleges working with the employers are able to develop the curriculum that way. So it applies, as you said, to small, medium-sized, and even a large employer like General Dynamics.